Welcome to our channel. If you're on the hunt for the perfect backpack, you're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing the best backpacks you need to see now. Whether you're looking for style, functionality, or durability, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check out the description below for all the product links. You won't want to miss these amazing finds. Mygreen Toddler Backpack. Introducing the Mygreen Toddler Backpack, the perfect blend of fun and functionality for your little one. Designed for boys and girls, this backpack features a sturdy chest strap to keep it securely in place, ensuring comfort during play and travel. With a spacious interior and adorable design, it's perfect for carrying snacks, toys, and essentials. The durable material and easy-to-clean surface make it ideal for everyday use. Whether it's for school, outings, or trips, the Mygreen Toddler Backpack is the ultimate choice for your child's adventures. Let them explore in style and comfort with this versatile and cute backpack. Tzowla Canvas Backpack. Meet the Tzowla Canvas Laptop Backpack, the perfect companion for both men and women. Designed with style and practicality in mind, this backpack fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, making it ideal for work, school, or travel. Its spacious compartments provide ample room for books, gadgets, and essentials, while the built-in USB charging port ensures you stay connected on the go. The durable canvas material and comfortable straps make it a reliable choice for daily use. With its sleek design and versatile functionality, the Tzowla Canvas Laptop Backpack is your go-to bag for any occasion. Stay organized and stylish wherever you go. JanSport Backpack. Introducing the JanSport Laptop Backpack, a classic choice for anyone on the move. This backpack is perfect for carrying your 15-inch laptop securely with its dedicated sleeve. It features two spacious compartments, providing ample space for books, gadgets, and everyday essentials. The ergonomic shoulder straps ensure comfort during long commutes, while the sturdy haul handle offers easy carrying options. Made from durable materials, this backpack is built to last and withstand daily wear and tear. Its sleek black design adds a touch of style, making it suitable for school, work, or travel. With the JanSport Laptop Backpack, you get a blend of practicality and timeless style, perfect for any adventure. SwissGear 1900 Scansmart Backpack. Introducing the SwissGear 1900 Scansmart TSA 17 Laptop Backpack, the ultimate travel companion. Designed for convenience and durability, this 19-inch backpack easily accommodates laptops up to 17 inches. The Scansmart lay-flat technology allows you to breeze through airport security without removing your laptop. With multiple compartments, it offers ample storage space for all your essentials, including a dedicated tablet pocket and organizer panel. The ergonomic, padded shoulder straps and airflow back system provide maximum comfort, even during long journeys. Crafted from durable materials, the sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or heading to work, the SwissGear 1900 Scansmart TSA Backpack ensures you stay organized and stylish on the go. Lapsouno Large Travel Backpack. Introducing the Lapsouno Large Travel Laptop Backpack, the perfect blend of style and functionality for any occasion. This extra sturdy backpack accommodates laptops up to 17 inches and features TSA-friendly design, making airport security checks a breeze. With its spacious compartments, it's ideal for school, travel, or work, providing ample space for books, gadgets, and essentials. The built-in USB port allows for easy charging on the go, while the water-resistant material ensures your belongings stay safe and dry. Designed for both men and women, this black backpack is not only practical, but also stylish, making it a great gift. Whether you're heading to college, commuting, or embarking on a trip, the Lapsouno Large Travel Laptop Backpack is your reliable and fashionable companion. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the perfect backpack to fit your needs. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. And remember, all the backpacks we featured are linked in the description below, so you can easily find and shop your favorites. Happy shopping, and we'll see you in the next video.